entire world loves biryani.
We actually like aloo biryani.
బిర్యానీ అయితే చాలా బాగుంది.
బిర్యానీ అయితే ఆల్వేస్ సూపర్.
ఇలాంటి ఒకేషన్స్ చేసుకోవడానికి ప్యారడైజ్ ఇస్ బెటర్. సూపర్గా ఉంది.
Thanks to Paradise Biryani for serving since so many years to the Hyderabadis.
Hey guys, the entire world loves biryani and we as Indians are very fond of it. Now there are many types of biryani in India, including the Lucknowi biryani. But what is famous here in Hyderabad is the Hyderabad dum biryani of not just any place but the Paradise Biryani. So guys, you wouldn't believe how this place started as. This place started at just a mere canteen in a theatre. And you can see this entire place right here. So we are, you can say, inside a theatre what used to be 1953. And now it is the famous Paradise Biryani of Hyderabad. So this place is not just Paradise Biryani, we also have Paradise Takeaways, we also have Paradise Cafe, and we also have an amazing breakfast which is served here, which is the keema paratha, which is only served here from 6:30 to 9 o'clock. So do come here and have their breakfast, and this place is also frequently visited by celebrities. So it's very popular place.